today we're gonna unbox this toy, my toy. Tell me if you need help. What is the instruction? How do you open this? It's like Lego. Oh, what's this in this? Oh, Joker. No need help. Oh, the shield. The head.
This is the head. Next, the body. The black one. This one.
Cute.
And then the feet. Put it here. For the feet. Put. Oh, the other one. Do this.
I cannot.
I'll do. So you have already the feet. Next, you will put that one 2 times.
Papa, it's just the bones. Oh,
Okay.
what's for the gray? Papa, this is very small. See, it's very small.
Yeah, but we need to put like this. And the other one. So it's tall already. Wow. Okay. It's very full. So, next.
Is there no instructions?
Yes.
Papa, the white one. Need to put it like this. Need the white one.
Okay. And then this one. Very big already. And then
Then why there's a hole?
huh?
There's a hole in the America's shield. Okay.
Okay. So this one.
This looks like a wheel. Oh, what's this for? Like this?
Like this. Where's the other one? Here. So it should be okay. This is the one.
Look at in the hands. It's do like this and then punch, punch, punch.
Now it should be the same.
Punch,
So
punch.
it can be. Oh, see. So it will be the same. Okay.
Okay.
Then next, you will put the armor.
This. Wow.
And then
Let me see. Wow. So yeah,
where's
wow.
the other blue?
Oh, so you're wrong. Let's see. You're wrong.
I'm wrong?
Yeah. And put this. So you're wrong.
I need to do this.
We almost made it. Ooh, we must put that shirt. Yeah.
This one. Look at this one and put it in the hole.
Wow, it's getting fatter.
Wow, it's getting bigger. Next is the white. Where's the white one? Oh, put. in the circle.
The circle. Oh.
Oh.
What?
What else? Wow, hands left.
Look, I got the hands. I got the hands.
This
Wow,
one.
I'm almost done. I got the black one. Oh, what is this for?
Okay. Next.
Wow.
Wow. And this one, put this one in the middle. Let go.
I cannot put it very hard.
Huh?
I cannot put
It's
it
very hard.
Yeah. Wow. Look at America.
So I'll make it 2 times. Like this. Where's the other one? This one. This one.
Okay. Okay, so. Hello. Order, order, order. Ooh, so it must be like this. Wow, it's very long. It's very long. It must be a little smaller. Look.
Yeah. Okay. Where's the other one? This one.
Will be the hands.
And this will be the hands. We already have this one. Okay.
What will be in
Next.
here? Look, Papa. Look, Papa. What will be in here?
The hands.
Okay.
Like me.
I don't know. It's very hard to put this one. Wow. Punch. Wow, it's like a split. That's how you build.
Next will be the armor.
Look. I need to take it.
This is extra.
I have America.
Wow.
Shoot, da da da. Okay, let's show it to Mama. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.